you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have 24 hours until we get to New York, and there's a lot of stuff to do. I made a list. Stay organized. So I have to go work out today. I have to go pack my clothes, do some last minute shopping, do my whole night routine skincare before fashion week, eat some food because I'm starving, and I'm so excited. The first stop is the mall to do some shopping, so let's go. Okay, side note, this top, absolutely gorgeous. Yellow, Forever 21. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna find anything because New York is kind of cold. We're just gonna see what we find and look around. Alright y'all, so I didn't really find anything, but I just got like a few long sleeve shirts just so I can layer in New York and try to stay warm. We had better luck at H&M, so we're gonna try on these items, see what we like, see what we don't like. This is cute. And then like a little collar or like a turtleneck. I love it. Okay, but these jeans, look, they have like a little slit at the bottom. I don't know. I'm kind of surprised because like most places don't have jeans that go like all the way down, but I don't know. These are cute too. Okay, hear me out. So this is like a turtleneck, like short sleeve, got like a slit on the side, right? And then I put some leggings or like some stockings, and then maybe like a colored long sleeve or maybe black. And then I have like the trench coat, and then I have like the scarf, and then the hat and everything. I think it's definitely giving New York. All right, so next stop is Target, and and we just need a few other items, and then I also need to get dinner. Looking at all this stuff makes me like so excited to have my own house or like my own apartment and decorate it how I want. I'm so excited. That's like not really anytime soon, but eventually. Okay, so we just made it back, and I'm actually really excited to try these. I don't know, I've been like craving peanut butter, so I'm having one now. It's like just the right amount of crunch on the outside, and then like the sweet peanut butter on the inside. It's great. We still have a lot of prepping to do for New York, so we're just gonna make this a nice and easy dinner. I just have some zucchini, some cauliflower rice, some broccoli, and then some salmon. So we're just gonna make like a lemon salmon veggie thing. Yeah. And honestly, cauliflower rice is really good. All you have to do is just season it the right way and it tastes delicious. It's so good. All right, you guys, so I finished eating and I finished packing all of my stuff, which took a while, but I have everything I need. Honestly, I was surprised that I fit everything because you know when you have like the last little zipper you have to shut and it's not going, and so I had to sit on it. I had to like pull it together, but I made it work. So we're all set, we're ready. I have my outfit picked out for tomorrow, and right now it is currently 1:45 in the morning. And I have to be at the airport at like 8, which is not too bad, but that's what I get for waiting to the last minute. So all right, you guys, so I just iced my face with some broccoli and then now I'm just going to sleep because it is 3 o'clock in the morning and I have to get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning, so I'm basically sleeping for 30 seconds. But yeah, so good night. All right, good morning, you guys. I just got to the airport. I checked in, went through security. They liked my outfit. And now I'm just trying to find my gate. And then we're going to New York. Okay, you guys, so I was looking for my gate so I can board the plane. And this is such a small airport that there's only one gate right now. So I asked the lady, I was like, oh, so I'm not sure which gate to go to. And she's like, oh, there's just one gate right there. I was like, oh, okay. Oh my goodness, you guys, I finally made it. I'm here in New York. Ah! Guys, it's freezing cold. I can't feel my toes. I can't feel my fingers. My ears are about to fall off. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I packed right. It was a long day. We went shopping to go find a coat, but they're all sold out, which is insane. And then we got some food so we can cook for the week, and yeah, so I'm so excited. Okay, so what does this week look like for me? So basically I'm just going to be going to the castings this week. That starts tomorrow, and we're going to see what I get booked for. Let's hope. I'm feeling confident, I'm feeling ready. Yeah, I'm excited.